This drone shot cost us more than we expected. And ये क्या है? ये storm भी आज ही के दिन होना था. We went to Capri to experience the most Instagrammable island in Italy. The Blue Grotto, that impossible blue water, the cliffside views from up top. We got all that, but also a broken drone and honestly, a lot more memories than we planned for. Hi, I'm Apurva, and this is our Capri story. Let's start from the beginning. This is the Sorrento port. You can get the tickets at the port itself or you can book it online क्योंकि कभी कभी बहुत भीड़ भी होती है. So luckily we ran and caught this particular ferry and wow, just look at the amazing view. Capri is a beautiful island off the Amalfi Coast, which is known for its dramatic cliffs, crystal clear blue waters, and its rock formations. The island's most famous attraction is the Blue Grotto, जहाँ एक सी केव के अंदर the water glows electric blue. केव के अंदर हम कैसे छोटे छोटे रोबोट से जाते हैं, ये सब हम वीडियो में आगे देखेंगे. After a calm and peaceful ferry ride, now we've reached the Capri Island. Just look at it. Now I know why it's so famous. I could feel the calm, cute island vibe when we entered here, and there are these small, cute little shops everywhere. And now the main fun begins. We boarded the small ferry for Blue Grotto. You can get the tickets easily from the Capri port.
La Grotta Azzurra era la piscina dell'imperatore Tiberio, oggi un museo nazionale.
Okay, we've reached the site. Now to actually enter the Blue Grotto, you have to transfer in these tiny rowboats and you have to duck all the way down to enter the cave. Now let's see how that goes for us.
Where do you come from? India, like Dublin, but originally from India. And for me, the special thing. You are my guy. No special. Watch your head.
Oh no. Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Oh yes! Wow! Look at the back. Look at the back. Look at the entrance. Look at the entrance. Oh yes!
Oh my god, look at the color. The video doesn't really do justice. The water genuinely glows blue from the light bouncing through an underwater cave opening.
O solo bio saprò da te. O solo bio saprò da te. O solo saprò da te. Sì.
Oh my god, it was really an out of the world experience and worth every money that we spent. Cool. So after this soothing experience, it's time for something adventurous. So now let's make our way to the chairlift ride. For the chairlift experience, we are making our way to the Anacapri area of the island. You get public transport buses which are quite cheap to get to that part of the island. Hello. So our next stop for today is chairlift. तो यहाँ के Anacapri area से you get tickets for the chairlift. Basically, it's like a cable car thing, but it has only one chair for a single person. So यहाँ से तुम chairlift करके पूरा टॉप तक जाओगे Monte Solaro तक, और वहाँ पे भी बहुत अच्छा व्यू दिखेगा. So Gautam and I are really excited about this part especially. So let's go, मजे करेंगे. This chairlift is basically a single person seat. It has no locks whatsoever. It sounds very scary, but actually it's a lot of fun. It takes you to the topmost point of the island. So now let's sit back, relax, and enjoy these panoramic views of the island. मज़ा आया ना? बहुत मज़ा आया. तेरे को कैसा लगा?
अरे मस्त, अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस है.
How was it?
फन, कुछ नया था, सेफ था.
बट बहुत फन था.
अलग था. और क्या हाइट पे आए?
बहुत हाइट पे थे. हमें लगा आधा ही होगा, बट बहुत सेफ था. आई थिंक जाते वक्त तो फुल इससे सामने व्यू दिखेगा. गौतम पूरा ड्रोन का सेटअप कर रहा है बिकॉज ये व्यू है तो थोड़े ड्रोन शॉट्स तो बनते हैं ना गाइस.
यहाँ पे रख दी. It's show time, guys.
brace yourselves for the drama. So guys, suddenly at one point of time the atmosphere became all stormy. We were not able to operate our drone at all, and we thought that we've lost our drone forever. Until turns out, when the connection was re-established, the drone tried to return to home and it crashed itself on the way back. Thankfully for us, we searched the drone everywhere in every corner, and luckily we found it near one of the fences which Gautam got it. Keeping the sadness of the broken drone aside, which was very difficult by the way, because next day we were going to visit Positano. Anyways, we thought let's just forget about it and enjoy the rest of the trip. Then we went to the Capri town, enjoyed this yum pizza, had a nice gelato, and enjoyed this perfect evening view. So on our way down, instead of taking the bus, we thought of going using the funicular. मस्त फर्निकुलर से व्यूज़ एंजॉय किए, थोड़े बहुत वीडियोस निकाले, एंड वी फेल्ट क्वाइट गुड अबाउट द डे. वी थॉट कि वाओ, ओके, वी हैड अ नाइस डे टुडे एंड इट्स ओवर. Little did we know there was another adventure waiting for us. Luckily, we were able to catch the last ferry to go back to Sorrento port, because इसके बाद सारे ferries बंद होने वाले थे due to the stormy weather. पूरे फेरी में टेंशन का माहौल, हमें बस कैसे भी करके सेफली घर पहुंचना था. And thanks to the captain, everyone reached safely. So this was our Capri story. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you and see you in my next one.